welcome if you are new, and welcome to fall. I'm super excited. Fall is my absolute favorite season. The sights, the smells, the feeling like of it, like it feels like just cozy and like warm. I don't know. I just really like it. So I'm super excited to bring you my first fall look of the season. I like to think of this as a typical, like your typical warm tone and like orange and yellowish shades for fall. So yeah, if you do want to see how I got this makeup, then please keep on watching. So I am not priming my eyes today. I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the eyeshadows. I'm going in first with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, going into that yellow shade on the top row. And I'm just going to apply this messily onto my crease. After that, I'm taking the Carli Bybel palette, and with the Moda smudge brush, I'm going to be picking up this brown right here. And this brown I'm just going to be placing right beneath that yellow. And you could use any brown. This is like a very neutral, like perfect brown shade, and that's why I like using it. Any brown will work. So just place it down into the crease, and once you have it there, then you can start blending it into the yellow. And I'm just taking the first brush with no additional product, just whatever was left on there to kind of blend the colors even better. If you do want to add more yellow, that's completely up to you, but I'm just going to use whatever was extra on the brush. After that, go ahead and pick up your favorite gold shade. I'm sticking with the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm using this gold right here. And I'm going to be placing that with my finger right on the eyelid. Just kind of pack it on there first. And then to really get into the small places of my eye and to like clean it up a bit, I'm taking a detail brush. That same color just to clean it up again and get into like the really small spots like here on my inner part of my eyelid. So it kind of looks like a cut crease, but not really. And again, you don't have to take that extra step or the time when you're in a rush, but you still want to look cute. Then I'm taking that smudge brush that I used for the brown. Again, no additional product, but I do want to kind of just blend in, kind of marry that brown and gold. Then using the gold highlight shade, and I'm just popping that onto my brow bone and inner corner. Then we're moving on to lower lash line. Now I am going to be adding orange, but before adding any color to my lower lash line, usually I do like to put white first. So I am taking an Essence white pencil. And this is just so it can help the orange pop. You don't have to do this, but to me it does make a difference in the orange, especially with like light colors. So if you have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, these oranges will work just fine for the lower lash line, but I do want a little bit something more intense. So I'm picking up my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and this orange is really pigmented. I'm just carefully stamping it right along that way. If you want to do the wing eyeliner, it's up to you if you want to put on falsies or not. I just did mascara. And then finally lips, I do always have to put on my chapstick. And I don't want to take this look too vampy, so for lips, I am still taking like a really pretty perfect fall shade. It is the NYX Lingerie in Exotic. I was thinking of using like more darker colors, but I think this is still like perfect everyday wearable fall. So that was all for this look, guys. I really hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Again, I did try to keep it very simple, quick and easy to do on the go, but still very cute and perfect for fall. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and click that like button if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!